Go for it.
Yeah.
That drill was, I bought it when we first moved to unit, and it was on offer.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it's done pretty well to be fair. You can do it tighter.
Hey.
You gotta. It's supposed to lock. Yeah, that's it. You just fucking proper rag it, and it'll. You have to turn it a bit sometimes. It's fucking irritating, and then every now and again it will.
You winning?
Yeah. A pilot easy. That doesn't work.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
it's broke.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
What's up with it?
Take that off. There's like a cup in there that holds us like these, and it's like in half. There's no other half. So, I'm about to fucking smash this cunt up.
Would you be able to do it? Yeah, yeah. The way you do stuff up here, fucking pull them out.
Honestly, the brake my mate yesterday, it cost me 100 quid on a fucking gauge I can't send back.
Oh, it didn't cost you 100 quid. You're the buy cheap, buy twice, pal.
Honestly.
If you'd have bought a liquid gauge like I sent you months ago.
Yeah, they're shit.
They're not shit. I had one and it was mint.
Yeah, but they don't. They look
You
nicer
bought
in the
the Ling
TTs.
Long equivalent.
No, they look good, better in the TTs
Look
than
good
they
better.
than they do in the Leons, don't they?
Yeah, but it's not my fault you bought the fucking wrong 1.8 turbo.
I want to throw fucking.
That now you
hands.
can't tell because it's a Cat C not declared.
I want to throw fucking hands in a bit, pal. I'm also
Why, is it
annoyed
not
that
better
I'm
to throw
only.
fists?
I'm also annoyed now that I'm only going to have 3 and 2.
And I will tell everybody that it's only got not all the bolts in it. Do you want a countersink so you can like take all that shit off it?
Well, what shit off it?
Like the big fucking burr that's there.
Clean.
I suppose you haven't done it properly on the first two, so why would you start now? I thought he was coming to rivet something in your car then.
I'm going to end up getting to a point in a bit where I go, how much to just fucking weld this bit in?
Coincidentally, exactly the same amount as that gauge cost.
Oh, well, if that's the deal, mate, then yeah, fuck it, let's get the welder on.
That's not going anywhere. Make the hole bigger.
I would. But
With a drill piece.
Jew brother just took the fucking drill. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Oh yeah, if you say so.
What, does it fit?
No, where's the bolts?
Like, just bolt it in and then vacuum.
Because I don't want to knock it.
You don't want to. It's a fucking.
Also, these are proper shit bolts for this, aren't they? Oh, that one might be a bit of a struggle.
Thread it in. Thread up top.
Where's the one for the bottom?
Scattered on the boot.
Done that now.
I think that may be cross-threaded. Why do they get like really? Oh,
Don't even fucking at me. Good. Solomon and Tom both just turned around and they're like, what?
Fuck, not tight. Sounds like it's taking its foot. How long's the bolt?
That's tight, that is. Just don't fucking go wild and thread it.
No, I'm gonna let you do that.
You've definitely fucked that one there.
No, it's going in right.
Did Tom just go silicon?
The silicon gun's broke.
He's broke 4 drill bits and a
I
silicon gun.
thought it was just like
In
stating
one
the
sitting.
obvious.
You being down here.
One sitting and you've broke 4 drill bits.
They were the shittest drill bits in the world. They're those ones that we got that we acquired. They were just fucking awful. Why have you got the longest extension on?
Because it's what Brad gave me.
Because Tom, look, I can do it from out here and I'm not hitting
You're
anything.
trying to do it from the front seat.
Don't do that, I'm not in tight yet.
You drive in here and go, I don't even notice any difference.
You watch, she's going to do one of them and it'll just spin the ribbon it.
Have you checked to see if the seat fits on with these massive ass pockets?
That's what I said.
They'll go on. Fuck you three, honestly. I can see why Sophie just sits in the fucking pan. Don't talk to me, you fucking cunts.
It's just meant to make it so you can't put your seats up.
Do you know what it is? Do you know when Shank a dog in, I could tie the cunt to it.
But you're definitely not sleeping in it for addition, are you? How the fuck are you going to sleep over that?
I could get under there.
Fuck off! Say it!
And break your
Say
spine
it!
round
No,
there?
say it!
What?
You reckon she could fit in there?
I haven't got the
yeah.
balls.
Move where? No, there's loads of sward here.
She's going to get a thing up her ring piece and enjoy it though.
Shank, your tits won't get through that.
Don't just knock everything over.
I hope you get stuck, you cunt.
Yeah, because that's well comfy, isn't it?
Just sleep there then.
What a cushion.
If she could go under there, I could.
Fuck off!
You're meant to be my girlfriend.
I'm sorry, but you're not. Fuck off.
You've got like you've got childbearing hips, Brad. You're fitting under that.
Right. What have I got to do? Just get my belly
No,
through?
you've got to get to like here.
Oh, I got up to there.
Yeah, so up to your chinny chin chin.
Which one?
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, but I'm also too long. I'm stuck.
Now get out.
Mint if you need to get out in a hurry, innit?
I don't know.
Get under it. We know it fits one schneeze underneath.
Right, now you got to hoover it and put the seats back.
Hey, don't put them in here, hang on. Now we need to decide where this goes.
There? Where you can't see it.
How did they sit? Like that with those spaces.